Good morning, all my dear students of class 6. As you people know that in the last class of YouTube, we have already done the lesson agriculture, but we are doing revision of the same lesson. So in the last class of the lesson of agriculture, I already taught you about from where the word agriculture derive. As I told you, the word agriculture derived from the Latin word ager or agri. So let us go through the factors influencing agriculture. So today in this class we will be doing revision of what are the factors which influence agriculture, as well as we will learn about the types of agriculture, as you can see in the picture. So before going directly to the types of agriculture, let us go through factors which influence agriculture. Some of the factors which influence agriculture such as geographical factors, which includes climate, edaphic factors, relief, and in economic factors it include market, transportations, and capital. So about geographical factor, we know that agriculture involves the tilling of land for the growing of fruits, vegetables, and cereals. In India, the states of Punjab, West Bengal, parts of Bihar, and Orissa are known for their agricultural productivity. The Deccan Plateau region is not as suitable for agriculture. Can you guess why? Let us find out. The three geographical factors important for agricultural activity are land on topography, climate, and soil or edaphic factor. So in climate, temperature and rainfall determine the distribution of agriculture. The farming method of the cropping patterns depend on climate. The type of agricultural practice in the hot and wet equatorial region differ from the type practiced through the years in the warm tropical region. And about edaphic factor, so you might have a confusion about what is edaphic factor. Edaphic factor relates to the nature of the soil. It deals with the physical and chemical properties of the soil and its moisture and humus contents. The last one is relief. Relief means the topography or relief also has a strong influence on agriculture. Plains and deltas are more suitable for agriculture as compared to highlands and hilly regions. Mechanization of agriculture entirely depends on the relief. About economic factor, it is written like the economic factors that influence agriculture are market, transportation, labor, and capital. This thing we will learn in the next class. Now let us study types of agriculture. In types of agriculture, as you can see in the picture, that agriculture is classified into two types: subsistence and commercial. So let us study about subsistence today. So about subsistence agriculture is subsistence agriculture is a type of farming in which crops are cultivated and the livestock are reared to support the farmer and the family of the farmer. Very less, if any, surplus crops are available for sale in the market. The farmers grow crops just enough to feed themselves. Subsistence farming is characterized by small farms and low produce. In most cases, the entire family of the farmer works on the farm using traditional or primitive methods of farming. Subsistence agriculture is subdivided into sedentary and shifting agriculture. So about subsistence agriculture, it's a kind of agriculture where farmer used to do farming just to feed his family, not for commercial purpose. And as I told you, that agriculture is classified into two types: subsistence and commercial. In subsistence agriculture, it has been practiced by the farmer to feed his family only, but commercial agriculture is opposed to subsistence agriculture. Commercial agriculture means like commercial agriculture is a type of agriculture in which the main objective is selling the products in the markets and earning profit. So what is the main objective of commercial agriculture? Is selling the products in the market and earning profits. Commercial agriculture can be further categorized as extensive agriculture, plantation agriculture, mixed farming, and market gardening. So with this, I'm ending this class here. In the next class, we will learn various types of subsistence agriculture, such as shifting cultivation, intensive subsistence agriculture, nomadic herding, as well as we will also learn about various types of commercial agriculture, such as extensive agriculture, plantation agriculture, mixed farming, mixed gardening, etc. So till then, bye.